In today's tech video, we're addressing a common issue: how to factory reset on your Roku TV when you can't find your remote control. Whether it's a lost remote control or a non-responsive one, we've got you covered. Let's dive into this. Why a factory reset? Before we dive into the solution, let's quickly discuss why you might need a factory reset. Perhaps your TV's performance has been sluggish, or you want to erase your personal data before selling it. In any case, a factory reset can breathe new life into your TV. Preparation. To get started, all you need is your TV. No remote control is required. Ensure that your TV is powered on and any connected devices like cable boxes, gaming consoles, or anything like that are disconnected. Now we're going to do a couple different methods. Method 1 is using the TV buttons. Now let's explore this first method. Many modern TVs come with physical buttons on the device itself. Look for buttons like power, volume, and channel. Next, press and hold the power button to turn off your TV. Then unplug it from its power source. After about 10 seconds, plug it back in. When you power it back on, keep holding down the volume down button and the channel down button. Continue holding until the TV displays the setup screen. Method 2, smartphone as a remote. If your TV has Wi-Fi capabilities, you can use your smartphone as a remote control. This is especially handy if your TV's physical buttons aren't responsive. Download the TV manufacturer's app or universal remote app from your app store. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Launch the app, and then you'll find an option for TV control. Then navigate to TV settings or menu. Find the option for System or Support. Inside, you'll locate Factory Reset or Reset TV. Then confirm the reset. That's it. Your TV will go through its factory reset process and in most cases return to its default settings. Be prepared to set up your TV again as if it were new. I hope this video was helpful in restoring your TV without a remote control. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.